This morning I am going to check on what is growing in the greenhouse. It's been a little while that I've done a video on what's growing in the main greenhouse here on my farm. And I thought while I'm walking the farm this morning, I'd share that because what I like so much about living here on the farm in Panama is the variety of food that I can grow here. So, um, so I am going to show you what I'm growing right now in the greenhouse. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha. I work to be self-sufficient, grow my own food, and live off the land. And let's see. Right now I'm in my zone 2, which is where my greenhouse is. I couldn't get to it yesterday because the grass was long and it was raining, but I'm gonna go the back route here. Bear with me here. All right. So, a little greenhouse here, and seeing what's growing, seeing what we need to transplant, and let's see. I see some peppers. Peppers over here. All right, I see some parsley still growing here. I'm gonna add some carrots here. There's a little bit of celery. A few onions. Finished with all the tomatoes. These are all sweet potato leaves. Usually we do this in a more open field, but I think maybe some of the seeds got in with the compost, so just start growing. Got some cabbage here and some more sweet potatoes. Let's see what we got over here. Cabbage. All right. Some red cabbage. I don't know, but my red cabbage, I don't know if they get into it. The bugs here. I've got some, we just transplanted the lettuce, lechuga here. I've got a little bit more parsley, and some more lettuce. Some collards, culantro. Oh, some more onions down there. So the best thing to stay organized, and this is where I need the most help, is from seed to harvest, because you got to have things growing from seed to transplant to harvest. So when you're ready to harvest, you have something ready to go back in your area. And especially, and then you also have to decide on what you're going to put in, because things grow better around certain plants. So there's a lot of organizing. But here in Panama, because so much grows, we get so much rain, it's hard to keep up. And that's one of the reasons why I enjoy growing my own food and living off the land here, because not only do I not have to worry about food prices, but I don't have to worry about food in general. And the variety that can grow here makes my diet is what I want in a diet. You know, I like the variety of being creative to try new foods. you know, when something's ready to harvest, and then I can go find a recipe, if I don't already have one, to see what else I have to go with it. Um, so right now I am going to harvest some greens, some parsley, a little bit of celery, and some cabbage, and have that for my meal today. And yeah, so thanks for watching.